Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel Web versus Desktop. We'll explore the distinct capabilities of each platform, helping you decide which version is ideal for your specific workflow. The desktop application offers robust features for complex data analysis, while the web version excels in accessibility and real-time collaboration. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to choose wisely. The desktop version of Excel is the powerhouse, providing comprehensive functionality for serious data work. You gain access to the full suite of over 480 functions, along with powerful tools like Power Query for data transformation and Power Pivot for advanced data modeling. For those needing to automate tasks, VBA macros are exclusively available here. It effortlessly manages very large datasets, often containing millions of rows. Excel for the web shines in its accessibility and collaborative capabilities. You can open and edit your spreadsheets from virtually any device, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Its real-time co-authoring feature allows multiple team members to work on the same document simultaneously, seeing changes instantly. This version also integrates smoothly with other Microsoft 365 applications, making it perfect for shared projects. Ultimately, the best version depends on your specific needs. Choose the desktop application for intensive data analysis, working with very large files, or when you require custom automation via macros. The web version is ideal for quick edits, easy sharing, and real-time collaboration with colleagues. Many professionals find a hybrid approach most effective, leveraging the strengths of both Excel desktop and web for a complete experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.